afternoon, Honorable Sir. I'm welcoming you to our school, Shivraj Sharma Junior High School, Bilaspur, Gautam Budh Nagar, and for the virtual inspection of the school. I welcome Member 1, Neeraj Kumar Blatia, Principal, Atomic Central School, Narora, Bulandshahr, UP. And second member is Dr. Jagbir Singh Kuntal, Principal, Happy Evergreens Senior Secondary School, Mohindergarh, Haryana. Please welcome, sir, for our virtual inspection of our school. This is the main gate, and this school provides a lot of connectivity to the students so that they can come and take the quality education. From the school. This is the entry of our school, and for entering, the mask is necessary. Pandemic, that is COVID-19, all the precautions are taken. That is, the hands are being sanitized. The hands are sanitized properly so that to take precautions regarding the COVID-19 situation. Secondly, the temperature is checked by the guard. The temperature is being checked by a guard so that anybody who is having the high temperature do not enter the school premises. Secondly, the notice board is there to give all the information regarding whatever new things are coming in our school. So main today's thought is education is a movement from darkness to light. So it brings us from the darkness to light. The education brings us from the darkness to light. We are following all the COVID-19 pandemic, all the precautions that have been taken. We are all following. That means that we have to maintain social distancing, wear masks, and sanitize our hands from time to time. Now, the main aim of our school is we are here to nurture the young minds, aim for the overall success, recognize and develop their strengths by bringing in orderliness in them without relentless efforts to inculcate positive attitude in our students. Our aim is to impact education to all at an economic free structure, developmental, intellectual and aesthetic sense in students, apart from the basic education. We want to develop empowered individuals and self-confidence and critical thinking in everything. Our mission is to spread education that is complete in itself so as to make our nation more secure, liberal, knowledgeable, oriented and progressive. We also want to increase the sense of brotherhood irrespective of caste, creed or religion. We encourage the students to emphasize the importance of good human relations based on tolerance, sensitivity and goodwill. And lastly, the vision is to be an educational institution that develops human resource for the society, state and the country. Our vision is to create good citizens for the country. Our institution will impart all-round development through excellence in education, discipline, spiritual and psychological conscience and physical development. So for the emotional, physical, mental development of our students, we are ready for the RO. We have the facility for the pure drinking water, that is RO facility is given over here so that the students can have the clean drinking water. This is the open area, and here this is a front wall and it's quite high so that the security and safety of the students is also taken care of. Even these are our school gardeners. They take proper care of the saplings or the trees that have been planted by the students. So we inculcate in them those qualities so that from the beginning only they develop the things, that is, we have to maintain ecological balance in the example. Plus, the boundary wall is also kept. The boundary wall is also kept at a height so that for the security and safety of our students is taken into care. This is all the green cover area so that the students develop the habit of saving the plants and also planting the saplings properly. Now, this is all the open area. The students are very much familiar with this thing and they have an ample space to come over here. Next is, we also inculcate in them the values to segregate the garbage according to the biodegradable and degradable garbage. We use dustbins. Two types of dustbins are kept over here for the wet and biodegradable, and for the plastic wrappers we have the blue dustbins. So all these values are inculcated at a very young age in the students. I welcome here all the greenery properly this area is quite open, and so the students get ample space to cover all these things, so that all the qualities are nurtured in them from the very young mind. Even the boundary wall, even the atmosphere that is quite conducive over here. The atmosphere is quite conducive over here, so that they can learn good values over here, and then they can implement all these things in the near future. Teachers who come over here have all the vehicles. They come over here and they park the vehicles over here. The students from right beginning from the childhood, so that all those values are inculcated in them in the young minds, and so that they can meet all the requirements of the future and they become a good citizen in future. Now let us come to this area. You can all see that the walls are quite at a height, and they provide quite a security to the students, and they can also assemble over here and here. Next thing is, this is the front wall. Next wall that is coming over here is here it is the left wall. Here that is the left wall, this side. And this is the right wall, and that is the back wall. You can see the greenery is taken care of. All the gardeners are doing their work. So that from the beginning only, all the students can learn how to take care of the environment. So the walls are quite high, so that the security and the safety of the students can be maintained. Next is this is the left wall, this is the right wall, this is the back wall, and that one is the front wall that is over there. And you can see it is totally enclosed, and all the students are safe over here. And that swimming pool over there. The height of the wall is also kept high, so that the security is always maintained. This is the left wall of the ground, and it is the height is of the school, and it is kept such a height so that the safety of the students is kept in the mind. Second wall, that is when you can see the height of the wall is also kept at the height, plus the green cover is also kept over here, so that the student learns all the values, how to keep our environment green. And the third one is the front wall over there, so the back wall over there. It's also kept at a great height, so that the students are safe over here. There is no kind of disturbance from the outside. Introduce physical education teacher, Mr. Ajay Shukla.
Hello, good afternoon to all. I am Ajay Shukla, physical education teacher here. And in this school, we are conducting so many sports activities that are beneficial for the students' motor fitness as well as their future also, because we are here for the India and we are building here the future of India as well. So we have so many sports activities here like kabaddi, football, volleyball, badminton, and as you can see the ground here. In this ground, we are conducting activities like we have a kabaddi court also here. If you can see, here it's a kabaddi court. It's totally the length that is the national outfield of the kabaddi, 8 meter width, 13 meter long. We are following all the parameters that are necessary for maintaining any ground. Then we have a volleyball court there also. That also the perimeter of 9 meter width and 19 meter long. We have a badminton court also, and we are using that ground for the athletics events also. In that athletic event, we are conducting 100-meter sprint race, long jump, shot put, and we are conducting the activities which are beneficial for the motor fitness of the pre-primary level students also, like skipping rope and many fun activities also. And we have all the sports equipments also. We have, if you can see there, we have all the sports equipment also here. We are maintaining or we are creating the future of India, because we are depends on the students, and the India is the youngest country in the world. As you can see, the India is the youngest country in the world, and in a school level से ही एक प्लेयर जो होता है वो स्कूल लेवल से ही निकलता है. अगर आप देखोगे विराट कोहली, MS धोनी, ये सारे प्लेयर हमारे स्कूल से ही निकले हैं. देखिए, स्कूल एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट होता है जिसके थ्रू हम लोग इंडिया का भविष्य बनाते हैं. तो ये हमारे स्पोर्ट्स की काफी इक्विपमेंट है. अगर आप शॉट पुट दैट वी कैन यूज इन द एथलेटिक्स, Then we have a discus throw that we can use in the athletics for throwing. Then we have cricket equipments also like pad, stumps, bat, ball. We have a skipping rope also that are necessary for the motor fitness of the student. Then we have football and many things that are necessary for conducting any sports event or sports for the students.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we are already doing for the physical, mental, emotional, and the development of the students. So not only we are focusing on the academics, but we are also focusing on the co-curricular activities, even in the sports also, so that our students can nurture all these things from the beginning only. From the prayer to the morning news and the speeches of the teachers, the students' performance are being organized in this area. And it's quite spacious over here. Now let us come to the so this is our reception area. Proper arrangements are made that the parents come over here. If they have any kind of query, then they can put their suggestions or can have some query over here from Meenakshi ma'am. She has maintained all the records that if the students are or if the parents face any kind of problem, then they note it down and she is a kind of communicator between the management and the parents. So all the arrangements are being made.
Myself Meenakshi Bansal, and here I am working as a receptionist.
So all the records are being maintained. So if the parents have any kind of query, they want to know something, they can come over here. They have their space over there, and they can. So it is very spacious over here, and if any kind of problem is there, they can sort it out. Now we are going on the first floor over there, upstairs. Coming upstairs, so all the facilities are given over here. Second floor, let us come to the labs are there. Next is our physics lab. Ma'am, please introduce yourself. So this is our physics lab video.
My name is Varda and I graduate, postgraduate from CCS University and some experiments of 12th class. This is PN junction diode. इसे दो बायस में लगाया जाता है, फॉरवर्ड बायस एंड रिवर्स बायस. फिलहाल ये फॉरवर्ड बायस में लगा हुआ है एंड कनेक्ट वोल्ट मीटर. वोल्टेज को इंक्रीज करने पर एंड गेट, इसमें सभी गेट लगे हुए हैं. एंड गेट, और गेट, एक्सोर गेट, नैंड गेट, नॉर गेट और नॉट गेट. फिलहाल ये एंड गेट में है. ये आउटपुट एंड दिस इज और गेट. Zero and 1. PNP and NPN transistor. सभी NPN ट्रांजिस्टर में लगा हुआ, PNP भी किया जाता है. This is सोनोमीटर। ये बैलेंस के लिए फिजिकल बैलेंस। और इलास्टिक कांस्टेंट इससे फाइंड किया जाता है। इलास्टिक कांस्टेंट किसी भी वायर का इलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट इससे ज्ञात कर सकते हैं। इस साइड में सारे इसको 90 डिग्री से निकाले जाते हैं। ये स्टैंडर्ड ट्रांसफार्मर है और ये स्टॉपवॉच रॉड है, जिंक रॉड्स हैं कुछ। ये कॉपर और ये पावर बोर्ड, स्टॉपवॉच, रियोमीटर, ये मैग्नेट, मिरर्स और लेंसेस हैं, पिंस, और ये सैलरी को रियो बोला जाता है और इनको पिकिंग फॉर्म बोलते हैं। थर्मोमीटर है, एमीटर, वर्नियर कैलिपर्स, स्प्रिंग बैलेंस, कनेक्टिंग वायर्स, सम वेट्स, स्टॉपवॉच। सोनोमीटर है एंड पोटेंशियोमीटर। इसमें कॉपर पॉट और ये है रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स, जिंक रॉड, पावर बोर्ड, यूएसटी, प्लग की एंड सेल्स। इसकी हेल्प से हम किसी भी वायर का रेजिस्टेंस निकाल सकते हैं और ई की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं, वोल्टेज। ये गैल्वेनोमीटर जो मीटर ब्रेस, एंड इसकी हेल्प से हम किसी भी वायर का रेजिस्टेंस ज्ञात कर सकते हैं, फाइंड किया जा सकता है किसी भी वायर का। एंड इसमें यूज होता है रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स, गैल्वेनोमीटर, जॉकी, प्लग की, सेल्स एंड ये मीटर ब्रेस। पेरिस्कोप, मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास है, माइक्रोस्कोप है, बाइनोकुलर्स, टेलीस्कोप, कैमरा, प्रोजेक्टर। दिस इज ऑप्टिकल बेंच, uprights, lenses, concave lens, convex lens। इनकी हेल्प से हम इनकी फोकल लेंथ को फाइंड करते हैं। इसकी हेल्प से हम क्या करते हैं कि डीसी करंट को एसी करंट में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है। इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स के बारे में बताया गया है, जिनकी एमिशन के लिए छोटी मीडियम की एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल्स की कैसे होती है, थर्मल कन्वेक्शन कैसे होता है, कन्वर्जन के बारे में, थर्मल रेडिएशन के बारे में।
In all this thing and coming to the lab and doing it practically, it gives a real chance to the students to do it, all the things that they have learned in the books, they can see in the lab. And we also mentioned the stop register over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Show it. This is the stop register कैसे होता है?
Yeah, this is the picture लिखा हुआ है कैसे है।
Whatever need arises, you can. Thank you, ma'am. So, good afternoon.
First of all, thank you to introduce myself. My name is Pradeep Kumar Nagar, lecturer biology, Department of Siddharth University. This will start. RNA, nucleic acids, is part of messenger RNA, mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, and proteins in that types of RNA, messenger RNA, ribosome, and other parts of RNA. RNA, ribosome, nucleic acid, this is structures, and this basis of adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, and next chart. Human blood. Human bloods, blood groups of blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. And blood sites 1 to 3, and dicot roots and dicot stem, biological reagents, and this dicot root, dicot stem, monocot stem, and this Spirogyra and fern, and this apparatus are total reagents and this cover slips. It is a fern, Spirogyra, stem, it is a monocot stem, dicot stem, dicot roots, and it is a reagents for water bottle and cover slips, small handlens and pin, watch glasses, microslides, all microslides, and red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. They are used to acid and basic compounds, introduced to acid and basic compounds. This reagent, glycerine sampling, and it is a specimen bottle, Pinus pinus, and specimen bottle of urania. It is a specimen bottle of Naphthani, and it is a specimen bottle of Mossman. And this compound microscope, and it is a slide box, and total permanent slides are confirmed in this box. And next, the second tray, same, and the second box. Water bottle, the second tray, water bottle, and same, the second tray, or monocot root. The specimen bottle of Cyprus family, the specimen bottle of Fascioli, this specimen bottle of Rehu fish, and this specimen bottle of amoeboids. And the two types of microscopes, simple microscopes and compound microscopes. Potato root, and this is specimen bottle of octopus, CNO, and stem of wheat. Sample of the card. It is a specimen of one. It is a specimen of Tinea solium. And the specimen of Levoflu, again compound microscope and simple microscope, and this parts of many plants and animals. The skeleton of rabbit, and this skeleton of rabbit, frog and rabbit. It is Rana tigrina, Indian frog, and this zoological and botanical species. Now this and human skeleton, total cancer cell, introduce unlimited growth of cell. Cancer tumor and the parts of which the completely cancer cells. And next, issue of the students of plant and animal cells. Plant, it is a plant cell, and animal cell. Plant cells, cytoplasm, chloroplast, ribosomes, etc. Golgi body, Golgi particles, vacuole, or vacuole, nucleons, nucleoplasm, cell wall, etc. And as it is, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acids. This is structure of deoxyribonucleic acid and the parts of DNA, thymine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, and formation of nucleotide in these parts of nucleotides. Plant tissue, more cells are formed. Plant tissue and more tissue are formed parts of plant. In my laboratory, total apparatus.
Thank you, sir, for guiding us and for teaching the students how to use all the experiments in the lab so that they can get the practical knowledge over here and the students know. Please introduce yourself. Farooq Tyagi, sir.
My name is Farooq Tyagi and I belong to Bangalore.
In this new lab,
Equipments of
all the equipments will be here.
measuring effects, measuring flask 250 ml, and this measuring flask, conical flask 150, funnel, and next gas jar is conduct to gases, round bottle and a grinder, beaker 250 ml and beaker 50 ml, wire gauge, wolf bottle, beaker 500 ml, measuring cup, it is a boiling tube, test tube holder, the tongue, test tube, dropper, spatula, and brush, and the washing bottle. And this part, formation of H2S, especially water bath, and it is used as a sand bath. Spit lamp and test tube holder and test tubes, and the chemicals. Copper sulfate 0.5 normality, dilute H2SO4, tin metals, potassium chromate 0.5 normality, and concentrate H2SO4. Concentrate HCl and concentrate HNO3, mercury chloride solution 0.5 N, concentrate HCl and dilute H2SO4, ammonium acetate 3N normality, sugar, ammonium acetate 3N, calcium chloride, formic acid, ammonium solution, ammonium hydroxide solution, concentrate HNO3, dilute H2SO4, and this ammonium sulfate 2N normality, dilute HNO3, concentrate ammonium sulfate and sodium bicarbonate, zinc metal, potassium chromate, copper metal, potassium dichromate, and barium chloride 0.5 solution, concentrate H2SO4, acids, so NaDH2O4, concentrate HCl, and potassium iodide solutions, and boiling tube, test tube, holder, and water bottle, and it is a burette. It is used to titration, and glass rod, It is called pipette. Pipette and pipette. This water bath, tripod stand, wire gauge, and glass rod again, and this is made by Avogadro. The the four parts of periodic table: S block elements, group first, group second, and these group 3 to 12, D block elements, and the P block elements, and lanthanoids and actinoids. pH 7 normal distilled water, and high pH level 8, 9, 10 are base, and low are acids. In the chart of petroleum, purification of petroleum. Petroleum gas, oil, diesel, kerosene, petrol, etc. Wash machine. Extracting and desinfectant, brush, and the largest parts of chemicals. Perchloride, magnesium chloride, copper cupric chloride, phthalic anhydride, calcium carbonate, sodium sulfide, lead acetate, barium chloride, lime water, ammonium hydroxide, formaldehyde solution, and sodium bicarbonate, manganese dioxide, ammonium sulfate, cadmium sulfate, hydrated cadmium sulfate, and aluminium oxide, sodium bromide, and acetic acid, sodium bromate, zinc metal, ferrous sulfate, sodium chloride, copper, and cupric sulfate, sodium carbonate, potassium permanganate, sodium metals, and sugar, oxalic acids, sodium hydroxide, arsenic chloride, and sodium nitrate, and D-glucose, the part of glucose. Glucose is the parts of carbohydrate, and potassium sulfate, potassium hydroxide, and this bottle, sulfuric nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and starch, distilled water, spit water, etc. Organic compounds chart. To the organic compounds chart, alcohol, organic acids, carboxylic acids like methanoic, ethanoic acids, and these structures and these bonds, covalent bond, and the catalyst, and the formation of esters by acid and alcohols. And the first of all, alcohols, the molecular formula of alcohol, and the structures of alkanes. Methane are converted to methanol by one hydrogen replace, and ethane replace one hydrogen by OH are formed ethanol, and propane replace one hydrogen by OH propanol. And the esters, the capacity of electronic balance 200 gram to 0.001 gram. The stroke register, chemistry, stroke register.
So all the needs are prepared of the students as a server, so that whatever they learn in these books, they practically they see all the experiments over here in this lab. Thank you, sir. This is the math lab. Good afternoon, sir. Introduce yourself. Yourself. Arvind sir, please explain how is your math lab over here. Stop for the screen. So these are the math activity that the students did for this.
इसके फॉर्मिंग को विविध फॉर्मिंग last week 500 ml, 1000 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml, 250 ml. Revolution 360 half is 180, 1 by 10, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 572, 1 by 493. Shape quadrilateral 1 by 845. Shape is triangle, this is shape triangle. Counting board box, quadrilateral, square side. This is hexagon pyramid, cylinder. This is cube, tubular prism, semi-sphere, cone, rectangle, sphere, rectangle pyramid, cuboid, circle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, square, prism, hexagon, semicircle, inch-tape, octagon, triangle, quadrilateral, square, scale 50 centimeter, protractor 180, voltmeter, compass, scale 30, set square 60 degree, set square 45 degree. This is an algebra. The formula a plus b power square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b power square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square minus b square, a plus b minus b. This is mensuration first part, rectangular, area, parameter, both sides, length and breadth. Area L multiplication b, parameter 2 multiplication b. Mensuration second, cuboid, cube. Congruent triangles, quadrilaterals, our first point, collinear points, mensuration first part, mensuration second part. Angles acute, right angle, obtuse, straight, reflex, concave, complementary, supplementary. Adjust angle, linear layer, vertical to the corresponding alternate interior adjust angle. This is the circle, circumference to pi r or semicircle arc, circle segment area. Convex circle, properties of circle. This is profit and loss. Multiplication of rational number, division of rational numbers.
The maths which many students think that is very difficult, but by coming in this lab, the difficult concepts can become very easily if we see practically how the things are mentioned. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. So we have taken all the care that the students because this is the age of technology. So students should be well versed with the computers.
बच्चों के लिए कंप्यूटर की व्यवस्था है। हमारे पास कंप्यूटर की सोलर सिस्टम से संचालित कंप्यूटर लैब है, जिसमें हमारे पास 20 डेस्कटॉप हैं, जिसमें हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी कराते हैं। और ये हमारा फंडामेंटल ऑफ कंप्यूटर, ठीक, बेसिक नॉलेज, डेफिनेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर होगी। उसके बाद कंप्यूटर वर्क प्रोसेसिंग चार्ट किस तरीके से काम करता है, इनपुट डिवाइस, प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस हो गया, उसके बाद आउटपुट डिवाइस हो गए, इनपुट डिवाइस, ठीक। उसके बाद मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट हो गया, टाइप्स ऑफ मेमोरी, कितने प्रकार की मेमोरी होती हैं, जैसे कि प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, ये मेमोरी के पार्ट्स हो गए। अब सोलर से चलने वाले, ठीक, इसमें हम एसोसिएटेड प्रोग्राम जैसे पेंट, नोटपैड, वर्ड, एक्सेल सब ये रन होता है। बच्चों को इस इंटरनेट की सुविधा सभी में, ऑनलाइन वर्किंग, उसके बाद नोटपैड हुआ, एसोसिएटेड।
So in this pandemic situation, the IT sector has become very helpful because now the online classes are going on. The students can be really reached. Otherwise, it would be very difficult for all of us to get connected to the students. But the IT sector had, that means the computers are very much important. So the each and every student needs to be acquainted with all these things. And in our school, all these things, all these facilities are provided from the beginning. Next is, we cannot do without books. Books are the real friends. So welcome to the library over here. Ma'am, please take us a visit to the library over here.
As we all know, the library is a powerhouse of our institute. So I welcome you all to our library. This is our reading section for the newspaper. We have the current magazine section for our library. In our library, we have the capacity of 40 to 50 students. So I will take you to the places. This is our reading area for our students. The reading area for our staff. This is our reading area for our staff. So now I will take you towards our book section for all our students. We have the NCERT books. These are Hindi NCERT books for class 6th. Introduction to the macroeconomics. As you all know that now CBSE is focusing on NCERT books, so we have NCERT books for class 6 to 12 classes. These are NCERT books for class 11, for class 10 and for class 9. For class 7th and 8th, for class 9th, for class 10th, for class 11th, for class 11th and for class 12th. Students, for their all over developments, we have the dictionaries, the encyclopedias. Like we have the Oxford Dictionary for the reference. These are some books for the student who want to arrange their mind to develop new things. something out of the syllabus that they can learn, they can improve their English. The Tales of Two Cities. We have maintained our library, all the things in the library. You can see the cleanliness of our library, the lighting to motivate our students. We have put the quotations.
Encouraging the students to improve their reading habit so that they can really they can put on in the paper also. And out of the syllabus, that means out of the academics, out of the academics, that is novels, etc. And there's also the stock register that is being maintained. The stock register that is
Issue register. This is for our staff register and our accession register for the library. As you can see, we have entered all the books. We have total 4,750 books in our library.
getting good reading habits among the students. The girls' washroom over here. Everything is kept properly so that the water flow is proper. So the water flow is proper. Sanitization is also kept in mind. There are total 6. The cleanliness is also taken into care. Even the separate washroom for the girls and the boys. Boys washroom, there are total 8 over here, 8 utensils are there. And proper sanitation is kept over here, water flow is proper. So the students face no problem over here. So all these things are kept in mind and all the facilities are provided. So the cleanliness and sanitation is also taken into consideration. When he comes to the school, that means he has to become a good citizen and nurture all those qualities that are needed for the society. Primary wing. This is the primary wing over here. The classrooms are quite spacious over here. The rooms are quite spacious over here. All the facilities are provided over here so that the rooms, you can see that the rooms are quite spacious and properly ventilated. There is proper cross ventilation over there. And the boards are also, the benches are proper so that students can sit properly. The windows are there for the cross ventilation. This is the primary wing, section wings rooms. The rooms are quite spacious. You can see the cross ventilation and the light. There is no problem. So everything is well arranged and students face no problem over there. And next, let's come to this is the assembly area. And this is also the area is quite open so that students can perform the morning assembly and pray for the God and for the well-being of the whole society. Next is let us come here from the prayer to the morning news and the speeches of the teachers. The students' performance are being organized in this area. And it's quite spacious over here. Now let us come to the. These are our senior classes. That is, you can see the 9th A. And in this senior class also we have the best support of the accommodate the students properly, so they have the space, they have no problem regarding that. Enough ventilation is there. There is additional classrooms if required, then we can use these classrooms. They are also quite spacious and even sitting arrangements are also made over here so that there is no other problem faced by the students and either by the management. So by time to time we are upgrading our school so that we have enough space over here to accommodate the students. And we are providing the best education over here in this rural area. This is also our additional classroom that is going for upgradation so that if there is any necessary, we can use these rooms also for our for the students, and they are also very much spacious, well ventilated, and also with the lights. At the benches, the furniture is also kept very proper so that students face no problem in them. Classroom that is for upgradation, that we have access other rooms that are available for the students. If the need arises, then they are also quite spacious and well ventilated. All the facilities are there, even of the fan. Spaces so the student can face no problem over here. And the fan facility, the light facility is also available here. And the cross ventilation, the board, everything is available over here, so the student face no problem over here. Same here, enough space is there for the students, and if we want to use these rooms, we can use these rooms for the betterment of the students for conducting other classes. If we want to conduct the extra classes for the weak students, we also use these rooms that are readily available with us, with the furniture, blackboard, fans, light, etc. The safety equipments. So all the safety equipments are kept over here, and they are checked from time to time so that they are in the reusable form properly. Even the students and the teacher know how to operate them. In case of any emergency, they can use these equipments so that they can avoid the proper facility of fire extinguisher is also kept. So in case there is any kind of problem, then that can be used in the proper way, and that has been properly checked. After 15 days, everything is properly checked, so that if any kind of problem comes over there, then even the students know how to operate. All the teachers know how to operate this equipments. Even the students know how to operate this. The assembly area is over there, so all the morning assembly is being done over in this area. And the situation where something emergency exists. If any emergency comes, then they can use these fire extinguishers so that they can come out from that emergency situation. Now this is our music room, art activity room. Introduce yourself.
My name is Rashna. My qualifications I am in music, and as you can see here, we are teach night student. This is electric casio, this is bongo, this is a flute, and this is a traditional Indian ghungru, and dholak, mic, and this is the guitar. We teach to our students like dancing, singing, and classical dancing very well to promote stage performances and to remove out the stage phobia. And most of the students are suffering in nowadays stage phobia. So our main motive is to remove out stage phobia from our students.
So thank you, ma'am. So we are training our students for the music also. It's because each and every student is unique, and if he wants to pursue something in the music, then they can come over here. And from time to time during the festivals also, the student exhibit their talent through this.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So we always take into account that students go for the indoor as well as the outdoor games. So there are many games over here. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, we always keep in mind as well as the outdoor sports we have. So we keep in mind the remote activities also for the students. So we have many activities like Ludo and Carrom board, and for sharpening the mind of the students, we have a chess also. And we always try every year that some of the students from our school, they will participate for the CBSE cluster also for the chess competitions. We have so many students from our school they participate in different activities in a CBSE sports also like football, kabaddi. So we are starting in the chess also. So we have indoor activities also as well as outdoor sports activities.
Seven
we also have.
documentary reports are also being maintained. So the reports are also being maintained.
Yes, we have a stock register also. We have a stock register also. We have entered all the sports equipment that we have in our school like badminton, Cosco. हमारे स्कूल में हमेशा स्पोर्ट्स के जितने भी इक्विपमेंट्स हैं वो हमेशा अवेलेबल है.
This is the first aid room. In case any student has some injury, then he or she can go over here and get the treatment over here. There is a this case injury center.
Myself, Yashwant Singh, I assist the students which are injured and we give quick and immediate assistance as a first aid. And bandage. This is microneedle, antibiotic, and bandage, gauze, and some antiseptic solution. Here are the areas, and we instruct some students here and provide some medicines.
First aid.
First aid resistant is quite spacious over here. In case some spacious and if any student faces any kind of problem, then the first aid can be given over here. And the treatment after completing that, the student can be sent back to the class or the school in the house. So it's quite spacious over here. Thank you, sir. You know, all the students are not same. Some are well versed in the academics, some are good at sports, and some are good at the art work. So here we have our art and drawing room over here. So we also see that all some have some other interest and other have some. Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Premshila, and this is my craft. बच्चों को एक्टिविटीज में सिखाते हैं, सेप्स के बारे में बताते हैं, प्लांट्स के बारे में, और बच्चे पहचाने कि कलर क्या है और एनिमल्स क्या है, वेजिटेबल्स क्या है, ये सब चीज़ समझाने के लिए हम कटिंग करते हैं पेपर को और बताते हैं ताकि और इजीली समझ जाए. और ड्रॉ करके भी दिखाते हैं, जैसे पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी बच्चे क्या समझ सकते हैं, बॉडी पार्ट्स दिखाते हैं उनको. और ये सारे कलर्स हैं, जैसे ट्री है, ट्री के बारे में बताना हो तो उसके में भी कटिंग करते हैं, कटिंग करते हैं.
So different kind of arts, that is meant for paper cutting or by picture pasting. So all and the shading also, all these things are being done whether either we use watercolor, crayons. So if the child is small, then we use crayons. Otherwise, they are developed how to make from the primary colors to the secondary colors. So all these aesthetic values are developed in the children from the beginning, so that they can develop a good whatever interest they are, they can pick it out. They can follow their interest according to that. So it's quite spacious and enough spaces over there so that the student can sit over here and they can follow their dreams. The principal's room, the rector, the director, and the secretary, Shri Hariom Sharma. Under his guidance, we all are doing lot, and the special Good afternoon, sir. We are always, the sir is always keeping the eye on each and every floor, whatever the activities are being done through this CCTV that is installed on all the floors. So the surveillance is kept. Plus nowadays the online classes are being done. That is also being regulated from here only, under the guidance of sir. So under the guidance of our principal sir, we are all providing the quality education to the students so that they become a very good citizen and do a productive output for a country and also abroad. Thank you, sir, for your motivation.
Myself is Jim Sarma, Principal शिवराज शर्मा जूनियर हाई स्कूल। ये हमारा ऑफिस है। यहाँ पे हमने पूरे बिल्डिंग को कवर करने के लिए जो कैमरे लगाए गए हैं उनका पूरा डाटा में देख रेख के लिए
The store, all the records have been stored over here. And this is the staff toilet for male and female also. And this is the staff room. Here all. Now we come to the main area where all the students are being planned what they have to return. That is the staff room. And all the staff members. And they are guiding the students. The 50% staff in the school, and we always take into consideration that the social distancing is maintained. The teachers use the mask over there, and the hand sanitizer is also used. Please, ma'am, will you introduce yourself?
Myself, Rasli Kaur. I am MA English BA.
Thank you, ma'am.
Myself, Vinita. MA Hindi BA.
Okay.
Myself, Ajay Kumar Shukla, MPhil Physical Education.
Myself, Lata Sharma, Bachelor's in Library Information Science, Library.
Myself, MSc BA Mathematics.
Thank you, sir.
Kumar Sharma, I am employed for mathematics teacher.
Thank you, sir.
Myself, Pradeep Kumar Nagar, MSc BA Biology.
Thank you, sir.
Myself, Gaurav Tyagi, MSc Chemistry BA.
Myself, Rachna, I'm MA Music. I'm a teacher in music.
Myself, Rasa, MSc Physics.
My name is Prem Shila, MA Hindi.
So in your school, you can see the teachers are also maintaining the social distancing. They are using the mask, and even in the case of the pandemic, so special precautions taken, and they are taking online classes for the students. Thank you. Our team. So this is our team that is always working hard to give the quality education to the students, and I thank all the staff members for giving the utmost efforts in this pandemic time. Thank you.